Crispy skin, juicy flesh. Let's master the perfect pan-fried sea bass. First, pat the fish dry on both sides. To prevent the fillets from curling up in the pan, score the skin 3 times with a sharp knife. Season the fillets with salt and pepper. Add olive oil to a non-stick pan and place it over medium heat. Place the fish in the pan, skin side down. Now gently press the fillets down with a spatula to make sure the skin fries evenly. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes till the skin is crispy golden. Flip the fillets over and cook for another minute. The sea bass is ready when the flesh is opaque. If it still looks a bit undercooked, take the pan off the heat and let the fish cook in the residual heat for another minute. Scoop the fish from pan onto plate. Delicious. One bite and you'll never fry sea bass any other way.
Hello.